Hey, I'm Dr. Jason, and I would love to tell you more about the Inspire difference, but I'd rather you hear it from some of our patients.
This has been great. It's the best thing that ever happened to me over the last 3 years. It's unbelievable, changed my life. It really did.
Inspire Medical is like a second home. I was finally validated and somebody did a deep dive into my blood work instead of just trying to talk about surface level things.
When we get our labs back or if we get our blood work back, they can explain everything of where it is optimally, if it's too much, it's too low. They're always aiming to get us right where we need to be to feel like ourselves.
Most of this stuff, you think it's from like a cosmetic standpoint. It's so much bigger than that. It affects attitude, it affects your relationships with other people. So getting my hormones where they needed to be changed everything.
Because you almost forget what it's like to feel good. I should have done this 30 years ago.